Going to show you use the use this scenery. Yanni Burton, if you are here in my life, let me know. Yesterday you asked me to show you the letters. Here today is coming. Okay. Yanni Burton, I show you later. Wait for a moment. I'm going to use this one making the making the necklace or bracelet. Is also work. This is not new, but I'm not often show the thinner. We have a lot of cinching, just some design we not show it before. I think you had another on a little longer bun. Yes. This the design is like this. They are a little bit different. They are different, and this one is thick. Yeah, a little bit thicker than this one here. This. Thank you, Blue Moon. So it's here. This one, and we're going to shoot this small one first. Yeah, the little one is so cute, and we can make it by ourselves like this. I'm here to use the piece of this 4mm beads. Yeah, this is the 4mm beads. I'm using the garnet color. I selected some garnet beads here. So let's make another design. And I will going to use the piece of this one to make a ring first. Made by a ring. Okay, blue key here is 6 meter we packed. Yeah, just to show you, we packed 6 meter for you. Okay, then we use the wire 0.8 to make a ring first. Okay, here. Hello, Lucy. Happy to see you. Hi, my fur baby. Little long time no see. Okay, 0.8. We are going to use this one, make a ring. A very simple and fast ring. Yeah, it's needed to depend on your customer what the size they need. Here. We string the piece of the wire, the beads on the wire at the middle. Cut the wire 30 centimeters. You have my open box from a coupon deco. Yes, Blank Queens. Yes, your box is here. Wait, they make the ring bracelet. Then if I'm going to make a size 9, I'm going to start at 9.5 because my middle ring is middle finger size 9 here. This way you can see this, and I'm going to fold it a loop and fold a loop and fold a loop. Okay, so it's this way the ring and open. Okay, then use your finger touch here to repeat the ring band. When you wrap the band, your finger is touch the beads. Okay. wrapper, 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 and cut. After cut it, tight it here. Thank you. So now it's the ring here. And I will going to use this small cute chain to attach on, then make it. But okay, let me just match if it's nice or not. It seems that it's more beautiful when hang it directly by the chain. Okay, I'm not use this ring. It's just a try. So I'm here going to make a ring this way. It's going to try another way. It's a little bit different from the way before. So hang on here. Here is also a way that's to share with you for the permanent jewelry that you can develop more design by the technique here. Okay, I'm here to share with you another way. Okay, I just let the ring be loose. Then cut. After cut here, I cut away this small tube. And I'm going to use the wire 0.4, not 0.3 now this time, because I show you another technique. It's use another technique to make. Okay. So this one, it means that this kind of the design, actually you can make it in advance, but not make it when you have a customer come. You can make this one as a sample in advance. Here. I just thinking if I'm go to the market, have a desk on for the permanent jewelry. What I'm going to try, because weld a chain on the hand, that's a simple design. Almost many shop they have, and if you want to make it different from the others, you need to try something new. Except the basic style with the chain only, then you need to develop something new, and so that you can attract more people. They cannot find the design at the other shop. Okay. So here one side attached with 2 chain, and here attached with 1 chain. Then tight. Okay, and then we can put 1 bead, 2 beads, 3 beads. Okay, so we can touch with the different beads. Hi, Blue Moon. Hello, Shana Blue. Here. 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 Okay, and here I'm going to use the wire 0.4 as well. And use it to setting. This is the garnet beads, garnet crystal. Okay, it's this way, and use the same technique. Go through. Okay, here why use 0.4 because the hole is a little bit bigger than the Pro. Hello, Shamia. Happy to see you. Okay, so one and the next also by 0.4. And this is small cute chain. Here. How much is the same price DEE? It's also 2.5. All my copper wires same price. Here. Okay, one each. How do you prevent any tarnish or color change? Dear, our material is the high quality, so it's non-tarnish. It's non-tarnish for my materials. You don't need to worry about it. You can wear it, go shower, go swimming, no problem. Even go swimming or go shower, you don't need to take away. Yeah. You don't need to take off. You can wear it and do bath. Okay, here, this one. Then we're going to attach on the bracelet. Here we can use this one for the bracelet, or if you want you can change another. Yeah, not must be use the same chain here. We can change another little bit thick chain. I'm going to use a little bit thick chain for here. What size beads is 4mm beads here. I'm use this one. Okay, so it's match this little bit chain, a different chain, and touch it here. Okay, here. So go to cut it the wire, and the end I'm going to use this way to attach, make a loop. Here. It's 4mm, the beads garnet. Okay, attach here. Okay. This will be come out a nice permanent jewelry bracelet ring. Okay, then weld it. Yeah, you can weld it here with a jumping attach and weld. Then it's done like this here. So it can be developed it to many different way with the beads, or if you love the here we put with one of the piece. And I remember before we make it with several, we can make here some, you can put a chain from here to here, make it like a yeah, it's this way what I was said. You can try two-way, this way the design. Yeah, so also linked, maybe you can make some design like this. And what I mean is this part and this part you can make in advance. And just this chain, cut it when the customer size is different, but this part normally is the similar size. Yeah. Stella is parking. Yes. Okay, so this is the bracelet, and this can be also for a permanent jewelry, because here is all locked, so it's not it cannot be open. Yeah. Okay, so we make two permanent jewelry here. The magnet, stainless steel will be magnet by the magnet. So it's here this way. I think magnet clasp can be for the people who want to take the bracelet easily. Now I want to do permanent jewelry.